So in this problem, we need to determine the area of the triangle that is formed by joining the vertex of the parabola x squared equals to 12y to the end of its latus rectum. Let's begin. So we'll start with the given equation of the parabola. So here we have x squared equals to 12y. Now what we'll do, we'll try to express this in the standard form. X squared equals to 4 times ay. That gives us the value of 4a equals to 12, which means a is 3 units. Now that we have the value of a, we can define the vertex. The vertex of the parabola, when it is expressed in this standard form, it's always going to be at the origin 0, 0. Then we have the coordinates of the focus. Now this parabola is an upward facing parabola, so that means the axis of the parabola is going to be the y-axis, which means the coordinates of the focus will be 0, a, meaning there's no y coordinate, there's no x coordinate, there will be only the y coordinate value, which means the focus of the parabola will be 0, 3. Then we can also find out the length of the latus rectum of the parabola. The length of the latus rectum of the parabola, that's given by absolute value of 4 times a, which means replacing a with 3, we are going to get 12 units. That's the length of the parabola. Now let's try to sketch the graph of x squared equals to 12y. So here we have the graph of x squared equals to 12y. This is an upward facing parabola with its vertex at the origin 0, 0. So the coordinates of the focus will be 0, 3. That means the length VF, that's going to be 3 units. And we have the latus rectum which meets the parabola at point A and point B. So AB has a length of 12 units. Our goal will be to determine the area of the triangle that is formed by joining A and V and the vertex and point B. So let's try to find out the area of the triangle. So area of triangle VAB. So that's given by half multiplied to the base of the triangle, so that's going to be AB, times the height of the or the altitude of the triangle, that's going to be VF. We substitute the value, we have half times 12 times 3, so that's going to give us 18 square units, and that's going to be the area of the triangle.